friends, Steph here from Hofkissed, and I'm here with my daughter again today.
Hello.
What's your name?
Michaela.
Michaela. And so this is the video for the next Kids Club. It is the October 15th release. To celebrate the upcoming spooktacular Halloween, we've come up with some monster bookmarks for this time for Kids Club. So here is what mine looks like. It has a googly eye on it. I made a little monster bookmark. Michaela, where's yours?
Right here.
Right there. All right, and let me see. Let me get a piece of paper here. And so they're bookmarks, and they just sit on the corner and keep your page. So we're going to show you in today. Oh, let's first talk about what you get in your kit here. So for $5, and you can order here from Facebook, send me a message. $5 per kit, you get all of these supplies and this video tutorial to show you how it's all done. So you'll get 6 googly eyes. The colors are going to vary, but you'll get 6 of those. You'll get a couple of, I think 10 here, of sticky eyes. And these are also going to vary per kit. You're going to get a whole bunch of circles here, punch circles that Michaela punched out just for you. A little sheet of glue dots. And then you're going to get 20 squares. So you're going to get 10 big squares in all of these fun colors and 10 little squares in the same fun colors. So I'm just going to move all of these aside, and Michaela and I will show you or demonstrate how to do these monster bookmarks. So we're going to start here with our square piece of paper, and you're going to put it in a point in a diagonal here, and you're going to take the bottom point and line it up to meet the top point, and you're going to crease it. All right. And then you're going to take this side point and you're going to meet it up with this middle top point. And try to line it up as best as you can. And if you need some help, ask your adult to help you. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing on this side. You're taking this point and you're bringing it up to the top. Okay, and give it a crease. Whoa, making funny noises here with my fingers. All right, then we're gonna open it up, and you have this little not triangle, a square, like a diamond type shape. And you're going to take one of these, and you're gonna, this top piece here, you're gonna take the point and you're going to meet it down here in the middle. Okay, and give it a fold. Oh, Michaela's already jumping ahead. All right, yes, and then you can do the same thing. You turn it over and flip it down on the other side. Okay, and now you're just going to open it up here, and you're going to flip this one inside. Okay, you just made that fold, and you're going to flip it inside. And then you're taking this one. No, did we fold that on the inside? No, we did not. Okay. So now you have this kind of boat-looking shape, okay? And you're taking these points here, like how we folded originally, but this time we're going to fold them over and tuck them inside. Okay, and give it a crease. Michaela, you want to come back in view? A little higher. Okay. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're folding it up and tucking it in. All right, and there you have your corner bookmark. Time for decorating. You need help? You got it?
Got it.
All right, and yeah, give it a good push. Oh, give it a good push and make sure that it's all there. So Michaela is going to go on here, and she's just going to keep working. I'm going to demonstrate again how to do this. Some extra supplies that you might need for this kit are a pair of scissors and a pencil. Okay, so Michaela, you keep going here, and I'm just going to undo my monster bookmark and show you, demonstrate again. Sorry, what we're doing. Okay, so now I have all my folds. So you're taking your paper. Can you just move over a little, Michaela? Okay, and we're going folding up to the point, bringing this point up to the top, and do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to open it up, and we're going to fold this top point down to the middle here, and do the same thing on the other side. So you can turn it over just to get this crease here. Okay, and then you're going to open it up, and you're going to keep this flap down, but turn this one and tuck it inside. And then you're taking these folds here again, and you're bringing it up and opening your little pocket and folding those on the inside. Okay, fold it up and tuck it into your pocket. Okay, and that's how you get your little pocket. All right, so Michaela drew. So with the little square, so this is done with the big square, so you get 10 big squares. So you can make 10 corner bookmarks. Okay, and then Michaela, with the smaller squares, these are the pieces of paper that you can use to make teeth. So this is where you might need a pencil. If you saw, Michaela drew her teeth on a diagonal from one corner to another corner, and she drew her teeth there. You don't have to use scissors, and you don't have to do jagged teeth. There are Michaela's teeth. I'm going to do like, let's do like a wave maybe. Okay. So you have half. Yep, Michaela, you can show that. Okay, and then you're just tucking this in, and it fits there. So mine's maybe looking more like a octopus or something, a squid or something like that. Okay, with that type of teeth, those kinds of teeth. Michaela used 2 different colors of paper, and she has 2 sets of teeth here. 2 different colors. Okay, on my other one, I did 1 set. Cool. Okay, so Michaela just cut her jagged teeth off. I don't know. She likes what I did, I guess. All right. Then you can certainly use this piece for another one too, but you can use it and, I don't know, cut out a tongue or do something funny with that one. Okay, so those little squares for the teeth. Then you get some glue dots, so that's where you can add some glue dots to here just to make sure that it stays in there okay, and to stick on your eyes. So I'll just bring back the original pieces here. These are adhesive on the back, the ones that will come on the clear stickers. These googly eyes that you get in the bag, you'll need to put a glue dot on the back for those to stick. And then you get all these circles here. So on this one, I added circles, and I just took a black marker and I colored that in. And then I added a googly eye, and Michaela decided to use these stickers. So that's it for us, I think, Michaela, right? Did we miss anything?
No.
All right. So Kids Club Kits, this is being released on October 15th, 2018. Kits are $5, and just send me a message and I can get a kit out to you. There's another idea. Good one, Michaela. Just adding a whole bunch of circles. Anyway, so I hope you've enjoyed this kit, and yeah, she's laughing. Michaela's laughing. She's having a good time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time. All right, bye.
Bye.